Hey people, Gary here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our Clickbank case study using myleadgensecret. Okay, so as you can see, I did not get a sale yesterday. By the way, make sure the people you watch do this here so you can see that it'll show the true results, for a fact, because it's very easy to um edit these to make them look like whatever they want them to look like. So anyway, go to reporting. Let's check yesterday here and see what happened here. Okay, I'm still getting clicks for social paid, even though I stopped emailing them. These are right at reviews, so I know something. When people get into social paid, they put in an email and they continuously mail them. So I know that that's what's happening. Okay, right outs just looking pretty. We're getting a lot of hops, but nothing's happening. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna focus on write outs for a minute. I might not get a sale, guys. I'm not like stressing over it or anything, but I'm gonna focus on it because this is a case study that we're gonna kind of focus on and see if we can make a ton of money with this. All right. Oh, yeah, we're going with write out reviews. I'm sorry, I just kind of went into automatic mode for a second there. But anyway, we're going to write out reviews, right? And I meant to click on the affiliate page here, instead of getting the link to get the next swipe here. So the next swipe, I think we on swipe. Okay, this is the one we going with next. Everything okay with you? All right, I don't like that title. That title. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna change it up. I don't know if everything okay with you will work that well, but we're gonna get the email here. All right, so we're gonna go and click link here. My lead gen secrets here. We're gonna make sure to click all of our leads. We got the subject. We got a subject. I just don't like that type. Your area. Yeah, everything looks fine now. You probably don't really need to edit anything. I just did it myself to make it sound. Just get rid of certain things. Get our link here. But the position open. Right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna pick my name. I'm gonna pick write outs. I just picked my name. It looks kind of stupid. Anyway. Alright, so we're gonna go with that. That looks fine. Alright, so you want to get the link here. Boom, 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 boom. Very easy to do. Alright, so go back to here. You make sure to click on that. You click on the link here. Hit the link. Oh, hit the link in there. That's it. Okay. Look at it real quick one more time just to make sure. Alright, so perfect timing. Make sure to click on perfect timing. They get the email around the time they like to open emails. Alright, so we hit the preview. We hit this here and we see what's going on. Okay, it goes straight to it. Alright, that's good. We're gonna bold this. Bold. I don't like that there's a space here. There we go. Alright, that looks good. Now let's preview. I just want to see what it looks like. Alright, that looks a lot better. Alright, send it. Boom. And we're done, guys. That's the email sent to 40,000 people. Now, about, I want to say somewhere around about 6 to 10% of 40,000 people are going to check this out. And then another another 6 to 10% are gonna click on it, which end up being hundreds of people. Then you just do that again, another 6 and 10% of, let's say 1 or 2% of those 100 people are gonna buy it. It just depends on your luck, really. And it depends on what kind of account you got. Because my most new, alright, let's go to the next account. I'm gonna show you guys. This is how you go to the next account. I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit here, so I'll talk about it later. Let's just go and get finished. Alright, so we go to our next account like this. Boom, boom. Right, we go to mailing system. We get those 117,000 leads there. We just copy, paste, Control A, Control C, Control V. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I know I do that a lot. Boom, boom, boom. I just feel like it's like a whoosh sign. Like it's making it seem faster, much easier. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's keep it moving. Right, Control A, Control C, Control V. You just hit here. You hit that. You change that to 2, so you know it's your second account. Boom, boom. Did it again, then you send it. That's all it is to it, guys. And we're gonna do it one more account. We got one more account to go. We log out, right? Log back in. Hold up. What I do? Yeah, I hit the wrong button. Log in right there. Okay, we're going to the next account here. This is our smallest account. For some reason, this account's the one getting all the sales. I don't know why. It only has 8,000 leads, but for some reason, this is the account getting all of my sales. Alright, the other 2 accounts are getting 1 or 2 sales. This one's been getting all the rest for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, you pull that, you put that in there like that. Boom. Right. Get perfect timing. Do now. I think. Oh, check it. Make sure you see. I sent it. I forgot to change the email here. That's why you linger for a second. Instead of going too fast, you might be forgetting something. But anyway, send the email. And that's it, guys. That's generally it. Like I stated before, it really just depends on which account you have. Some accounts perform much better than other ones. This is my best account, even though it's only 8,000 leads for some reason. This is definitely my best account. Like if I were to cancel, like say if I were to like only have one account available, I guess you could say, this is the one I'd probably keep. And You know what I'm saying? If I can only have one account. Weirdly enough, this is the one I keep. It's a little crazy to say that, but that's just the truth. It's performing really well compared to the others. All right, so that's about it, guys. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Hit that notification bell if you're interested. Also, there's a link for Saving Highway Global, which you can build your own business where a sale is much more valuable because you're building monthly income. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.